Queen, the University Relations Officer. Senior, Bibi Aboko there.
Boko.
Now, pay any this week here. I think KNUST Anamite. We had a media report. There was this robbery attacks. I think about 3 days ago. One of the hostels. Officially, Abedu Menim.
Abedu Yenim.
What was the situation?
At a school, a hostel. Them say Obi Fia wa converted their hostel ama a few students. It's me say school for more omundu base. Them say omoye base a 9 and I say num and a confor a 2 share almost one ajo. And we say omo episode omo wiani ama na omo so bianda. Enti school for ne da fam.
Akoma FM.
Na bako ada. Enti confor no guso omo ye didi o ho na. Me say oh sorry ye. All of a sudden. And I confor no bako a 2 me say pistol. Enti bullet no ba eko kana ne konwe chikaka enti omode nako obako etraye omode ne ko konfanochi ogusu a receive attention sisia but yakosa no ne hoye enu abi
Akoma FM
abi aminya ni say ne hoye but in kai phone no can get there was any major injury.
How is that one a prayer near the door saying na the any more serious near back, right?
Bakuna need any serious kaka. Omoyeno or my surgery crowd complete.
Wow, surgery. Or a student or which of the faculties?
Mean to mean today.
Okay.
There's that faculty, but
Akoma FM.
Ono ni injury no. Emi to mo botu onti abuba no ba ko share. Ne ti baby echi ne kon echi o mo de. But o my surgery.
Wow.
Wo kompanoti.
I mean some of these things yentimi to ase kra wa campus kese etesa, but how best investing no ehwe to protect addition for no?
Kofi onim ye de nyama bibiri agwa kwemu a ye make sure say sansem robbery ni stealing no so
Akoma FM
minimum nti eno na make me no kasa me ka kire say ya toto yi pick up some police for your pick up for internal security or more patrols afi ya stand for the neighborhood watchdog committees. You were volunteers or more all the neighborhood. Yet they are so Kote all other places where students are staying. And so them, Tanya may robbery the way it see within houses, homes. These things do happen occasionally, but
Akoma FM.
Extend the electricity crumple to most of the hostels, but also because of the numbers in it, when you have a big hostel, the hostel is so we a very difficult acrophobia now. But this kind of hostels,
yes,
now at 10 home, I say will be fee, you know. These are the things that happen, but to share. Every university community and a community be university students, you know.
Yeah.
There a lot of these things go on. I am not conforming to say school for whisker. But
Akoma FM.
Every time we call Cape Coast University, we call university.
Especially when some of them use school fees.
They use some school fees here. But today, I conform to Felix Almus. And I always say, do to say examination period week. They make semester, end of semester examination.
Yeah.
And you stood school for no almost from baby campus to their various halls of residence. A big crowd move from their hostels to other hostels to go and learn with their colleagues.
Yeah.
And, you know, during some movement, they big laptops, they big phones. It's na konfono omota tao.
I see.
Yeah, the never be gua kwamwa just anwa brasi kra. But this is an isolated case. Now, the police have gone there to they are working on they are looking at investigating the issues. Now, whatever will happen, we'll let the public know. But in conform is a mask.
Wow.
Yes, they were wearing mask. And omukita chese and had competence. Chese catalyst in Ghana.
That is serious.
What we would do is say we are appealing to the community, people around. That they should help us to protect the students because a school for no around no.
It's a business.
They generate business activity
for the entire community.
Say school no call holidays and a breaker.
Yeah,
I know how the environment is.
It's
a lot of business activities die.
For that
now, when they are here, then those business activities spring up again.
Okay.
It is a collective responsibility between the students, the community, and the university management to help ensure that the safety of these students is guaranteed at all times.
Okay.
Because it helps all of us.
Dr. Anope Mamena Wase, Mijirisa Bibi Besan Abawunchen. Thank you. Therefore, Muamoshano, this is the era view of KNUST, the entire community. JB, I think this is a very nice video.
Yes, it's a very nice video.
Mawenya said Kote, yes. More or less the entire community of KNUST.
Yes.
And I did took a Facebook page. More ABA, more man name for the first time I share the KNUST campus. You know, this is the area.
Yes.
And of course, I say, yeah, Okwamanania. Enka baby hi portier Kote and Ayeduas inside. Okay, Ayeduas inside. And I tell for hwɛ some of these things drones
of course
anka monitor the activities of everybody. Security very very paramount.
If you KNUST in your school
over 100,000 student population.
Yes.
One area holding now benefited from one.
Of course.
There's a need to say collectively no. One they come together and help and protect the community.
One striking issue. KNUST
yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Onim say you go see police station the see odium for years now. Omo twe home aso the police station no a crack it.
Ayentimi bi.
Obianko mu.
That is serious.
Meanwhile, the community over there are suffering. KNUST in say KNUST what police for no. One almost are several ayi for ho no. Odium ho no. Which it to me who say pressure be bomb so. They can't serve the entire community. There should be special attention for KNUST for alone.
And maybe a phone lines in tema at you for enya kwan so the woman potemu ediaba and I don't pay. We have given our importance and of course Eagle Wings Debt Recovery Company Limited and also yasring. Wasem in kancho say ubi de oka and answer what the car we are juma mfaso no who said